So here we go, reviewing Quick, which I think is made by Colours in Spain, I'm pretty sure. This is, Graffiti, which is a UK paint supplier. This is their kind of like own brand, as it were. Pretty cheap. I don't think they sell it as anything special. They just say good for fills, basically, block filling areas. So I use it for details and other bits and pieces. You would have just seen the light blue going on. The dark blue goes on much better because the light blue was a little bit shit. So it's a satin acrylic paint modular pressure. Feels pretty low pressure to me. When the cans get low, they aren't the best. They get all spluttery and yeah. Paid £2.75 a can, and that was during Black Friday deals, so that was going back a few years. Would I buy it again? Probably not. Everything you've seen me painting with so far has been with a level 1 skinny cap, so now I'm going to use my favourite filling cap. Transversal red. And yeah, goes on pretty well. This red covers really well. The blue, the dark blue, or the mid blue, should I say, covers really well. The light blue, not so good, but we're kind of against it with the conditions. It's not very warm today and the emulsion isn't dry, so spray paint's having a tough time. So back on the level 1 cap, let's have a go with the Quick valve. Quite a slow paint, so you can control it quite nicely. This can is very empty though. I mean, when the can gets low, it gets all spluttery. Yeah, all spluttery. What you can do, that just sort it out, or make it 10 times worse. And that, a bit better. So I've decided my piece is a little bit shit. Just thought I'd finished, but it's not like I've got anything to rush home to. It's a Saturday. The wife has gone out, so she's gone down to Salisbury, which is a mission away, to see family. And I've got football tomorrow morning, and she's going to stay the night, so I thought I might as well try and make it look a little bit better. do the same with the red.
So there you go, that's it for this video. So I'm going to go through my list of things that I go through when I review spray paint. So Quick Colours, which I believe is produced by Colours in Spain. So I've been on the Graffiti website because this spray paint brand is a Graffiti kind of own brand, and they don't seem to list it on their website anymore, so I guess they've stopped selling it. So this video is kind of pointless in some respects, but anyway, I will go through my points anyway. So colour range, I remember being pretty small. It'll get you by, you know, if you're just doing basic dubs and basic stuff, then yeah, you would have got by using this spray paint. So the valve you would have seen in this video is actually quite nice, quite controllable with a level 1 cap. So yeah, that was all good, and that's not usual for a cheap spray paint brand. So coverage, that did well. The light blue didn't do very well in this video, but we're really against it with the conditions. The spray paint, the emulsion wasn't dry for sure, so yeah, just really was just soaking into the wet emulsion, which really didn't help the paint. So price, I remember I paid $2.75 a can for that paint, and that was during a Black Friday deal about 2 years ago. I said in this video earlier on, whilst I was painting, that I wouldn't buy the spray paint again, but in fact, if it was still available and it was cheap, I probably would buy it again, to be fair, as a consumer. Cost versus quality. Cost versus quality. It was alright. It was alright. Cost versus quality. Yeah, not as a consumer, the cost versus quality wasn't too bad. If you're buying paint from Graffiti or other well-known UK paint distributors for full price, then yeah, it's like not a bad price compared to what it is currently. But the fact they don't sell it anymore is kind of pointless for you guys as a consumer. So anyway, enough of me rambling on, because yeah, this is kind of a bit of a wasted video in a way. I've only just realised that whilst looking on the Graffiti website. But anyway, the video's out there now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment. Tell me whether you've used Quick Colours before. And that's about it. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.